having trouble finding the domain and range of piecewise or evaluating piecewise or graphing, I'm going to post a video about graphing piecewise function using the Desmos graphing calculator. Let's go uh, graph this function first. So unlike in the calculator, you write the equation first, divide, and then set the condition. In the Desmos graphing calculator, it's the opposite. You need to write the condition first. The condition are these inequalities, okay, that set the boundaries of the graph before you write the equation. For example, in number 1 here, okay, so we will write first x is less than -2. So you go to press ABC and you will have the braces here. All right, now write everything inside the braces. Do not write anything outside it. So we write the condition first. X is, go back, okay, press 1, 2, 3, and then x is less than -2. Then after that, press colon. It's gonna be shift colon in your keypad on your computer, and then write the equation x plus 3. Okay, so this is the graph that you have. So you see it's x is less than -2, so your graph should go to the left of -2. So you have -2 here. And as you can see, it shows here that -2 is undefined. This is the limitation for technology. It's not going to show you the hole in the graph, but if you're going to graph it, if you're going to dot it, it shows undefined. It's because there is no underline here. Your x cannot be equivalent to -2. So pay attention also to the dots on the graph. And after that, we go to the second equation. So write the condition first. Go to ABC, press the braces, write everything inside the brace, okay? So you have -2, go back, press 1, 2, 3. -2 is less than or equal to x and less than 3. And then after that, colon, that shift colon, and then write the equation absolute value of the negative. Write first the negative, absolute value is somewhere here, okay, and then write x, and then you need to go out, and then add 5. Okay, so that's the graph. The condition is your x is greater than or equal to -2. It's defined here, but it's not going to be defined here because at 3 it's less than, and it doesn't include 3, so it's gonna be undefined here. So there's supposed to be a hole here, although it doesn't show. And then the last one, you have x is greater than or equal to 3, so set the condition first. Go to ABC, go back, and then you have x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, and then colon, and then write the equation x minus 4. And this is supposed to be the piecewise of the function. And if you're going to observe, the domain of these are all real numbers. And even our range seems to be the all real numbers. But of course, you need to write the range piece by piece. And you have to do some union here and a union here. But nevertheless, the domain and range are real numbers. Now we will go to the second, and as you can see, it's the same as what you can see here. There's hole and hole in here. All right, now we will go to the second equation, and this is supposed to be this equation. So t is supposed to be x. It doesn't matter. So write first the condition. X is less than or equal to -10. And then write the colon. Okay, and then you have x squared minus 5x. You can use t here, but it's fine. It's fine. That's supposed to be, your graph is not showing, but you have a colon here. Okay, and you would see that the graph is there. All right. Next, you have here negative 10 is, go to here, and then you have negative 10, okay, is less than t, which is also x, and less than negative 2. Then you have to do colon, and then t, x plus 19. And that's the graph. Later on it's going to show. Okay, so as you can see, it's going to be this, there's a jump discontinuity here, but of course the graph would still be discontinuous. And then you have t squared. All right, so you have x squared. You have to write first the condition t or x is greater than or equal to negative 2, colon, and then t squared, that's x squared, divided by x plus 9. And this would be the graph of our function. So you have two jump discontinuities at certain points, and you would see that this is going to be defined here, but it's going to be undefined here because there's no underline in the inequality, but it's going to be defined here because there's underline in here.